Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the steel ultra performance fiber reinforced concrete steel sandwich beam, and we use a stud as a connector inside the concrete part. You can see here these are the stud inside the concrete part as the connector here. Let me click here and then the animate. Click on animate to see this dynamic bending test. We can check all files separately, like the steel members or fiber reinforced concrete. Okay, now let me to remove the concrete. Just check here these zones here. You can see. Click on animate again. You can see the stress propagation. Let me use limit to have a better view, for instance 2. You can see the stress propagation here. If I request ductile damage, you can see the ductile damage or the damage happen in the stud at the connection zones here, or we can request plastic strain displacement. And now let me to replace the concrete here, the stress, the plastic strain, the tensile damage. See the tensile damage. Or stiffness degradation. See the stiffness degradation of the ultra performance concrete. Or anything else from the field output, but from the history output we can have the force displacement diagram. Here is the maximum capacity, force capacity for this displacement, and after that failure happened because we have decrease in the force capacity. And here is the maximum around 4.5 0.45 meganewton. So if you need this tutorial modeling SCS composite beam with stud connector for the ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete under bending test or something like that, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, then click on the title, then you will have the explanation about the geometry, material step interaction load, and the result as figures here. You can see them, and the cost for the CA, INP, paper and English video file step by step is 26 euros. You can use a Visa, Master or PayPal account for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address to tell you about the purchasing process. Also, you can provide our full package here, Abaqus full package, and we publish it at here at January 2022. The tutorial till here. This is the full course or full package of the website, and it contains all things till that time here, January, and you can see here these are the title of the full package. You can provide them with a logical price. Just before that, Let me now through this email to tell you the price for this full package contains more than 400 tutorials, and you will learn everything by using this tutorial, and you don't need to provide anything from the other website because it contains all thing from A to Zeta in the Abaqus analysis and simulation. So if you need anything, let me know through this email. Thank you for your attention.